Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today, and today I am at Hungry Jack's and I will be trying out the Storm M&M'S Minis with marshmallows and M&M's in it with ice cream, a bit like a McFlurry from McDonald's, except a bit different from Hungry Jack's. So, looks pretty good to me, so I'm gonna have the first bite of it. I'll have to take this off. Looks well, I'm going to start off with very delicious. Tastes a bit like an ice cream. The ice cream in it, the marshmallows, very sweet, very hearty, but not crunchy at all. In the M&M's, the chocolate is delicious, and it's very crunchy, but also very easy to eat. Overall, it got the good texture and the good colors and flavoring in it. Although I am gonna say that unfortunately it's very hard to eat, that I had to take this off and get that and then do that. So it's not very convenient to buy this, so I'm actually gonna be quite honest, it's kind of, I do recommend it, but probably not the best, so I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. Now, we all have different opinions. Some may think less, but most people probably think it's worth a little bit more, and also the price as well. This year, there will be a Q&A on the 1st of December, Friday, I believe. So anyone who's interested in asking a question for a Q&A, please comment on any video, say Q&A, then say what you want to ask, just so we know it is a Q&A question. Please keep updated on our socials, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video with more videos to come in the coming future. Bye everyone. Thank you kindly.